Welcome back, entrepreneurs and inspiring business owners, to another exciting video of building success. Today, we're diving into the world of poultry farming. If you've ever dreamt of running your own poultry farm and want to make sure you're on the right track, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of writing a compelling and effective poultry farm business plan. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of writing a poultry farm business plan, let's understand why it's so important. A well-crafted business plan serves as a roadmap for your venture, outlining your goals, strategies, and financial projections. It not only helps you stay organized, but also acts as a powerful tool when seeking funding from investors or financial institutions. So, let's begin with the first section of your poultry farm business plan, the executive summary. This is a concise overview of your entire business plan, summarizing your company's mission, goals, competitive advantage, and the financial projections for the future. Keep it engaging and captivating to hook your readers right from the start. Next, we move on to the company description section. Here, you'll provide a detailed account of your poultry farm, its location, legal structure, and the products or services you'll offer. Highlight your unique selling propositions and explain how your farm will stand out from the competition. This section should paint a clear picture of your business, leaving no room for confusion. Now, let's focus on the market analysis section. It's crucial to thoroughly research your target market, identifying the demand for poultry products and potential customers. Understand the demographics, preferences, and buying patterns of your target audience. Analyze the industry trends, such as the growing demand for organic or free-range poultry products, and outline how your farm will tap into these opportunities. In the next section, the organization and management introduce your team. Describe the key roles and responsibilities of each team member and emphasize their relevant experience in the poultry farming industry. Investors want to know that you have a competent and dedicated team capable of executing your business plan effectively. Moving on to the product line section, here, provide an in-depth description of the poultry products you'll offer, including information about the breeds you'll raise, the production capacity, and the anticipated growth of your flock over time. Additionally, detail any value-added products or services you plan to offer, such as organic feed or direct-to-consumer sales channels. Now, let's crunch some numbers. In the financial projection section, outline your anticipated revenues, costs, and profitability over the next 3 to 5 years. This will require detailed research and calculations. Include projected income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Don't forget to explain your assumptions and provide a break-even analysis to showcase the viability of your business. Time to talk about your marketing and sales strategy. Clearly define your target market segments and outline how you'll reach them. Describe your promotional activities such as online advertising, social media campaigns, and participation in local farmers markets or trade shows. Detail your distribution channels, whether it's direct-to-consumer, supplying local grocery stores, or partnering with restaurants. In the operations and management section, explain how your poultry farm will operate on a day-to-day basis. Describe the production processes, including housing, feeding, and veterinary care. Outline your biosecurity measures to ensure the health and safety of your flock. Don't forget to discuss your waste management strategies and any permits or license required for operation. Finally, let's talk about risk management. Identify the potential risks and challenges your poultry farm may face and describe your mitigation strategies. This could include disease outbreaks, market volatility, or regulatory changes. Show that you've thought ahead and have contingency plans in place to address these risks. And there you have it, a comprehensive poultry farm business plan that covers all the essential aspects of your venture. At last, we are providing 20 most important questions to answer before starting poultry farming business. Number 1. What is the demand for poultry products in the local market? Number 2. What are the initial costs involved in setting up a poultry farm? Number 3. What are the legal requirements and permits needed to start a poultry farming business? Number 4. How much space is required for setting up a poultry farm? Number 5. What are the different types of poultry farming systems and which one suits your business goals? Number 6. What breed of chicken is best suited for your target market? Number 7. What are the necessary equipment and infrastructures needed for poultry farming? Number 8. How will you ensure the biosecurity and health of your flock? Number 9. What are the feeding and nutrition requirements for poultry? Number 10. How will you handle waste management on your farm? Number 11. What are the common diseases that affect poultry and how will you prevent and treat them? Number 12. How will you source your chicks or hatching eggs? Number 13. What are the ongoing operational costs of running a poultry farm? Number 14. How will you market and sell your poultry products? Number 15. What are the potential risks and challenges associated with poultry farming and how will you mitigate them? Number 16. What is the expected growth rate and profitability of the poultry farming industry? Number 17. Are there any local or national regulations regarding the production and sale of poultry products? Number 18. How will you manage the labor requirements of your poultry farm? Number 19. Have you conducted a competitive analysis of other poultry farms in the area? And number 20. What is your long-term vision and expansion plan for your poultry farming business? At last, if you have any query then, write it in the comment box. Also, like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos.